Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys Wheeler. This vehicle is featured in red with black leather seats as well as black alloy rims. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. This Jeep features Bluetooth audio, heated seats, removable hardtop, hands-free, and much more. Okay, onto the front interior, we have our door handle as well as power unlock and lock buttons, a nice accent as well as some net storage in the door. We have our running boards, as well as black leather front seats with Jeep embroidery. We have our manual seating adjustments off to the left. Getting inside the Jeep now, off to the left of the wheel, we have our Alpine audio, our circular vents, the wheel itself. On the right, we have our cruise control, and on the left, we have our hands-free and Bluetooth, as well as our cluster control. We can go ahead and start the Jeep now. Grab our key. Our gauge cluster. We have our Uconnect infotainment screen with Bluetooth audio as well as hands-free and Bluetooth up to the top. More vents in the middle and the window controls just in the center. Climate control beneath, hazard lights and traction control, as well as mirror controls and a 12-volt input. We have optional 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as our 6-speed manual transmission. Our park brake, as well as cup holders and some storage. Center console with a lock on it in 2 compartments. Good amount of storage within. Up to the roof now, we have a removable hardtop. We can see the other side of the Jeep with some nice accents. Very nice. Onto the exterior now, we have our blacked out alloy rims with Jeep center caps. Willys Wheeler badging, as well as trail rated chrome badging and Wrangler Unlimited. Blacked out mirror caps, heated mirrors, door handles blacked out, as well as rear privacy tint along the sides and back. Coming along the rear, we can see our spare on the back, 4-wheel drive right there. To get in, it's in 2 compartments, bottom and top with the glass. Very spacious rear, 60-40 split rear seats which fold down for more storage if necessary. Very spacious. Okay, now onto the rear interior, we have our door handle, a little bit of an accent, and some storage in the door. 60-40 split as mentioned, rear seats with red stitching. We can fold those down with the levers on either side for more storage if necessary. We can hop in the back now, greeted by magazine holders on the back of either of the front seats. Cup holders just underneath. Up to the roof, we can see our removable hardtop continues to the rear, dome lights above as well as vents. A quick look at the back with another dome light above. Very comfortable. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.